Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a delicious homemade mushroom and chicken quiche. This recipe is perfect for a family dinner or for entertaining. Let's get started. To make quiche for 6 servings, you will need the following ingredients. For the base, for a 6-serving quiche, you'll need: for the base, 8.82 ounces of wheat flour, 4.41 ounces of butter, 1 egg and a pinch of salt. For the filling, 6.7 ounces 33 to 35% cream, 35 ounces of chicken fillet, 6 small or 5 large champignons, 3 chicken eggs and salt to taste. First, let's prepare the base. If you have a mixer, the dough is cooked for 2 minutes, well, if not a little longer you can do with your hands. In the bowl of a mixer put butter, add flour and a pinch of salt. Beat until you have fine crumbs. Now add an egg and turn the mixer on again to make the dough into a ball. If you do not have a mixer, you can use some frozen butter, cut it with a knife or grate it. When the dough is ready, grease the baking dish with butter. My pan is a little low, so I made the sides a little higher to keep the filling from spilling out. The size of the pan is 7.87 inches, but the dough is enough for a 8.66 inches pan. Spread the dough on the pan, forming the sides, and prick it with a fork to keep it from rising during baking. I had some dough left over. That's why I decided to bake it in a cupcake pan. We put the finished base in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes so that the dough becomes denser. While the dough is cooling, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare the filling. Slice the mushrooms and chicken. In a separate bowl, mix the cream with the eggs and add a pinch of salt. This mixture will make a delicate filling for our quiche. Now back to the pastry. Take the pan out of the refrigerator, lay a sheet of parchment over the dough, and pour in rice or other cereal to create a weight. This will help the base hold its shape during baking. Place the weighted dough in the oven for 15 minutes. Then carefully remove the parchment and rice and bake for another 10 minutes until lightly golden. When the base is ready, place the prepared mushrooms and chicken pieces on top. Pour the cream and egg mixture over the top, spreading it evenly. Return the quiche to the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Depending on your oven, I baked it for 25 minutes in a muffin pan and 35 minutes in a large pan. Look how beautifully baked it is, and the flavor is incredible. Too bad it can't be captured on video. The aroma of mushrooms and baked goods spread throughout the kitchen. And now our mouth-watering mushroom and chicken quiche is ready. Look how brown and appetizing it is. Thanks to the cream and egg filling, it is incredibly tender and moist, and the aroma of fried mushrooms and chicken is already calling everyone to the table. Before serving, let the quiche cool a bit, about 10 to 15 minutes. This is important to make it denser and easier to cut into neat portions. Slice with a sharp knife and arrange on plates. This quiche is perfect for a warm family dinner or a festive table. The combination of a crispy base, tender filling and creamy flavor is sure to win over anyone who tries it. And this dish also goes well with a light vegetable salad or fresh herbs. If you like this recipe, please support me by liking and subscribing. Be sure to let me know in the comments how this dish turned out for you and what stuffing options you'd like to try next time. Thanks for cooking with me and see you on my channel. Bon appetit!